Gentlemen, do you trust me? Simple question. Do you trust me? Don't worry, I'm not trying to borrow money or anything like that, but if you trust me and do the things that I'm about to tell you to do for the next 30 days, at the end of it, you're gonna be more attractive. Now, I know that there are some people that are like, yo, Alpha, that's so stupid, or it's so vain, or whatever, but the bottom line is this. If you feel good about the person you see looking back at you in the mirror, you feel better about yourself. And when you feel better about yourself, your confidence goes up. And so today, this video is about you, your confidence, and looking better. This plan is broken up into 3 different sections. Part number 1 is all about skincare, things that you need to do every day for the next 30 days that will have a dramatic impact on your face, your skin, your complexion. The second part is grooming, and the third part is lifestyle adjustments. Just to be completely upfront, I am using Tiege Hanley products for the skincare part of this, but you don't need to, all right? You can find other options out there at the drugstore, the grocery store. I'm gonna tell you what products to use and what to look for when you go to the store and actually shop for the products yourself. And so without any further ado, let's get down to making you even more devastatingly handsome. It all starts every morning with washing your face. All right, so the first thing I need you to do starting today is stop using bar soap on your face. The skin on our body is very different than the skin on your face. And if you are using a harsh bar of soap that was designed for your body on your face, which is much more delicate, the skin thinner, you are risking drying out and extracting all of the good stuff that your skin needs in order to look its best. Instead, what I recommend you doing is using a face wash that is designed specifically for your face. Step number 2, wash your face. All I want you to do is use your hands, all right? One mistake that a lot of guys make is that they are overly aggressive with washing their face. You want to be gentle. You also want to make sure that the face wash you are using is not foaming up a lot. All the suds, all the foam, just lets you know that it is a low quality face wash. Face wash is not supposed to foam up. When it foams up, this means that there are sulfites in there. Sulfites actually dry your skin out. The next step in the Better Face in 30-day plan is to moisturize every single morning before you leave the house. What I recommend is look for a moisturizer that has an SPF of at least 20. Now, you don't need a ton of it, just a little bit, right? And what you want to do is work it all the way around your face. Also, do not forget your chin and do not forget your neck. Do not use the same lotion that they sell for your body on your face. Guys, once again, it's about using higher quality products for your face. There is a difference. The way that the lipids in the products actually absorb into your skin and do what they need to do, guys, you gotta make sure you're using a higher quality product on your face. Your body, I don't care about. This is your face we're talking about. Do not skimp on something so incredibly important. All right. So you moisturize, you wash twice a week, you've exfoliated, you're not using bar soap on that handsome face. Now it's time to get dressed and go do what you need to do. Guys, if you want to grab those 2 products, the face wash along with the AM moisturizer, guys, there's a link down below to the Tiege Hanley starter system. This system is going to come with your Tiege Hanley face wash along with the AM moisturizer. And for a limited time and while supplies last, those of you who grab it are also going to get a free Tiege Hanley lip balm. And the price, $15. Literally like $15, 50 cents a day. You've got to ask yourself, is having incredible skin, clear skin, handsome skin, is it worth 50 cents a day? If the answer is yes, guys, you got to hit that link down below and go grab the Tiege Hanley starter system while supplies last. The answer is no, that's cool too, it's fine, it's up to you, but please don't grab those starter systems. Like we said, we have a limited supply of the free lip balm, and I want to leave those for people that are actually serious about looking better and having better skin. Now, guys, while you're checking out with the starter system, you also can add any of the additional Tiege Hanley products that we sell. And so if you want to grab, you could add an exfoliating scrub that you use twice a week to remove the top dead layer of skin, or you could add a PM moisturizer. This stuff is amazing before you go to bed, a little bit on your face, you wake up more handsome than before. Or if you want to, you could also grab one of the incredible new bars, right? We got the wash body bar, the scrub body bar. We've even got an amazing hand sanitizer. While you're checking out, all you do, add whichever product you want and it'll be shipped to you. Then next month for $15, you're getting the wash along with the AM moisturizer. Now, you can also add any product at any time by just going into your dashboard. You could also upgrade to a level 1 system or a level 2 or even the Mac Daddy level 3. Guys, link below, go grab a starter system with the free lip balm today. We're moving on to the second part of this plan, which is grooming, all right? There are 3 aspects of your grooming game that I want to talk about real quick. Number 1 are your eyebrows. Your eyebrows eyebrows are one of the most important aspects to your face. And what I want you to do is make sure that your eyebrows are the right proportion. And what I mean by this is there are boundaries that you should adhere to, all right? Grab something straight like a comb or a pen, and what I want you to do to find out where your eyebrow is going to start, I want you to put it on the side of your nose. This is where your eyebrow should start, all right, on both sides. You should pluck everything in the center. And then to find the outer edge, all you're going to do is place that straight edge and angle it towards the outside corner of your eye. This is going to be where your eyebrow should stop. The first 2 weeks, I want you to let your facial hair grow in. Regardless of if you have some or you have zero, I want you to let it grow in to see what happens. And then at the 2-week mark, I want you to shave the boundaries. For the cheek boundary, I want you to take that comb and put it at the top of your ear and then run it down to the corner of your mouth. You're going to shave everything above. And for your neck, take your finger, boom, right there, right? Shave everything below on your neck. Now, if you can't grow a beard, no big deal. I still want you to let your facial hair grow in. And then depending on what it looks like, I want you to clean it up. And the third part to the grooming plan for the next 30 days is whiten your teeth, all right? Going to the store and just buying some Crest strips, some type of over-the-counter teeth whitening product is going to be great. But the deal is this, regardless of the quantity or quality of teeth in your mouth, if they're white, they look better. The other byproduct of having a whiter smile is that you start to smile more, and smiling makes you appear more attractive to everybody else. All right, and the last part of this plan is lifestyle adjustments. All right, the first thing I want you to do is start drinking more water. Now, I know that I talk about it all the time, but what you should aim for is 1 gallon a day. 1 gallon a day, gentlemen, that should be the goal. And what you're going to notice when you consume enough water, your skin is going to start to glow. It's going to start to look better. You also are going to not retain as much. And so oftentimes you're going to see your face get more defined and chiseled. The second part of the lifestyle adjustment I want you to do over the next 30 days is reduce the amount of shitty food you eat. You got to cut down on the amount of processed foods that you're actually consuming, all right? I would say eat more whole foods. Now, I know that this one's a little bit harder and more challenging, but I'm telling you, if you start to eat better food, your skin is going to glow. Also probably going to lose a few pounds, which is good. Speaking of good, the last and final aspect to this 30-day plan is about getting good night's sleep. By you improving the quantity or quality of your sleep, you are going to look better. The fact is this, sleep is like our skin, our body's nourishment. If you're not getting enough of it or good enough sleep, then your skin is going to reflect it. Your eyes are going to get dark. Guys, here's the deal. 1 hour earlier, I would recommend each and every one of you try to shut it down 1 hour earlier. 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. A few sleep tips are make the room a little bit colder. Also, make sure that it's dark. If you are somebody who routinely lays in bed, surfs their phone, guys, make sure that you're putting it flat, upside down on the nightstand next to you. And that's it. If you trust me and do this program for the next 30 days, you are going to look better, more attractive by the end of it. Guys, I'm telling you, it's not only going to change your life because you're going to feel better about yourself, everybody else around you is going to be like, damn, what'd you start doing? You look incredible. Guys, and when you start getting compliments, it's over. You feel amazing. Guys, all the information will be listed down below, but I encourage you to give it a try. Start tomorrow. Do not wait because you and your looks depend on it.